What's up? I'm Taylor.
I'm Mason.
I'm going to teach you how to hang 5.
Nice ball. What are those?
Alright, first step is your foot positioning. I usually put my foot right here because my deck has like a little concave part thing for it. And yeah, it's just whatever you can do, like this, like this, like this, and just whatever. It really matters on like what you're comfortable with. And yeah. Alright, second step is you're gonna need your balance point. For your balance point, you're just like gonna need like keep your arms straight like this, or like a little bit bent, and just like tighten up your legs and tighten up your arms. And if you're leaning like kind of too far forward, then just put your foot that is like hanging off. It's mostly gonna do like the work. Like if you're leaning too far forward, the leg that's hanging is gonna be like back. And if you're leaning too far back, then your foot's gonna be like forward. So yeah. All right. Step 3 is you're gonna want to set yourself like realistic goals. Like I'm gonna hang 5 from that crack to that crack where that thing is over there. Too scared of the fence.